everyone, and thanks for tuning into the Financial Investor channel. My name is Brent, and today we're going to be discussing how to fund your Roth IRA within the Merrill Edge account. Now, I have decided to create a Roth IRA instead of a traditional IRA. I want to tax protect say, if I were to sell a stock, I would like to tax protect that stock regardless if I sold it short term or long term. I would also like to tax protect any dividends, so I don't have to pay taxes on my gains or dividends for the year. So I could buy a share at $100, sell it at $200, have $100 of profit and not have to pay any taxes on it within that year as long as I keep it within my retirement account. If I do choose to withdraw it at that time, I do pay taxes on it, but if I do leave my funds or any of my earnings within the account until I'm 59 and a half, I can then withdraw partial or all of my funds from my Roth IRA completely tax-free. And as you know, with life, the more you work, the more money you gain and the more you are taxed. So I don't know how I will be taxed at 59 and a half, but I definitely want to tax protect myself now. So that is why I am creating my Roth IRA, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to begin funding your Roth IRA and add increments every single month. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. So here I am on my Merrill Edge main account, and I already have a little bit of money in my non-retirement account. This was mainly transferred from Robinhood. I started with Motive Investing, I transferred over to Robinhood, now I moved over to Merrill Edge, and I believe this is the last and final broker that I will use. I will continue to use this broker because it offers so much for me. You know, it offers has non-retirement accounts, it has retirement accounts, it has mutual funds which I will not use, it has dividend reinvestment programs that are very easy to set up on here. It has lots of tools on their website. That has a website. It's not just an application, but it also has an application. It has a pro trading platform, and there's a bunch of other features on there that are just, I haven't explored them all, so I can't really talk about them. But anyways, let's go ahead and begin funding our account. So from the main site, you would select Fund Account. You would then go into transfers and withdrawals. Now, I don't have an account linked here that I can currently withdraw or transfer cash from. So at this time, I would select transfer from, and then I would like to add a new account. Then it takes me over to the add account option. At this time, I can look up my routing number from my bank in my state, and then enter that in here. Make sure that the bank name is the correct name that appears here, and then enter your account number, and then re-enter your account number. Once you have done that, select the account type. Is it checking? Is it savings? And then you'll select continue here at the bottom. Once you've done that, it then asks you if you would like to instant verify your account. So you go ahead and agree with your instant verification, or you can cancel and not agree with the instant verification, but it was a very quick process. So I said, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and do it, and I verified my account. The verification process for me took about 30 seconds, I believe, somewhere between 30 seconds and a minute. And then once that was done, it then said that my account was verified. Congratulations, your Chase Bank has been successfully verified. And then I selected close. Now I have the option to withdraw from my checking account or whatever account you want to add into your Merrill Edge account. So I selected from my checking, I selected which account I wanted to fund, which is my Roth IRA. It then showed me my information for my Roth IRA. So I can contribute up to $5,500 per year. And I had actually contributions to date were zero. So I entered my amount of $600 because as on Robinhood, every single month I was contributing $600 to my investment portfolio. I wanted to continue that sort of style of investing, I suppose, my increments of investing. So I entered the amount of $600. I set the frequency to monthly, and I set the start date for November 1st, 2017. and I set the duration to continue indefinitely. Now, I may change the frequency to either weekly or semi-weekly because I noticed if I have $600 in my account, I really want to use that money on stocks that are currently down at the time. And it's not bad, but at mid-month or a quarter through the 3/4 through the month, there's stocks like Pepsi, AT&T that release their earnings and they fall way below, and they offer a good buying opportunity. So I may or may not change that increment to be monthly to semi-weekly, and then you would hit continue transfer. Once you have done that, it'll give you the transfer details. So I am transferring from my checking account to my Roth IRA the amount of $600 starting on November 1st, 2017. The frequency is monthly and it is non-deductible. So if you open up a traditional IRA, your contributions are actually tax deductible. There's different brackets for what you can deduct. So if you were to transfer $5,500 from your already taxed income into your traditional IRA, you could then deduct $5,500 from your taxes, and then at that time you could schedule transfer. And that is it. You have completed the funding of your account. If you have chose November 1st or another date, your account would then be funded at that time. So November 1st is in a couple of weeks, and I will have my $600 in my Roth IRA to begin investing. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys for tuning into The Financial Investor. If you are brand new to my channel, I do make stock market, financial, and investment videos weekly, so do consider subscribing to my channel. If you did like the video, remember to hit the like button, subscribe if you are new. If you have any questions on any of the Merrill Edge products or just what they offer, go ahead and let me know in the comments. I do not mind making a video showcasing Merrill Edge. I think it's an interesting platform, and I think they have a lot to offer. So that is it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you next time. Bye.